In the event that you are pondering, a creature is noxious when its poisons are inactively sent. Conversely, a venomous creature straightforwardly infuses you with a poison. Deciding exactly how venomous a critter is certifiably not a careful science, however there is a kind of standard, the LD50, or how much toxin is expected to execute 50% of a test populace of lab mice. We've gauged various variables for this commencement, including that LD50, how much toxin a creature incurs at a time, and how much classic harm is done to a casualty. The outcomes? Deadly. Of course. 31. Southern short-tailed shrew. Yep. A shrew. Using its grooved incisors, the shrew delivers a killing bite, with venom potent enough to kill 200 mice. While that's not enough to kill a human, the pain, swelling and muscle problems the toxins would cause are not worth annoying a shrew to find out. 30. Gila monster. The Gila monster is one of the most venomous lizards to humans. A bite isn't fatal to us, but it can cause severe pain, dropped blood pressure and hemorrhaging. Recovery can take up to 5 days. 29. Duck-billed platypus. The male version of this waddling Frankenstein of animals has serious venom in the pointy spurs of his hind legs. For humans, the platypus's weird cocktail of toxins creates excruciating pain that lasts for weeks, and is somehow immune to the effects of morphine. That's some malevolent mojo right there. 28. Mexican beaded lizard. It may not have fangs, but this lizard literally chews on its victims until its venomous saliva travels through its grooved teeth and into a wound. Ouch. In humans, a bite causes pain, swelling, sweating, falling blood pressure and, very rarely, death by respiratory failure. 27. Catfish. Yes. Like, the one you fry. The majority of catfish are venomous and inflict incredibly painful wounds via strong, hollow ray fins. The stinging proteins are potent enough to hospitalize an unlucky person, or, in the case of the Plodosis lineatus, striped eel catfish, even cause death. 26. King brown snake. Also known as the mulga, this snake delivers a large amount of venom, 150 milligrams in one bite, but fortunately, its venom isn't quite so potent as other ones. Death is rare but possible if left untreated. 25. Brown recluse. The hemotoxic venom from this critter causes nausea, vomiting, necrosis, muscle and joint pain, the bursting of red blood cells, organ damage, and possibly death in young children with weak immune systems. 24. Blue-spotted stingray. Of all stingrays, the blue-spotted is the most venomous. Death is very rare. But unfortunately, as seen in the case of TV personality and wildlife expert Steve Irwin, a sting to the abdomen, heart or other vital organ could be fatal. 23. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake. The eastern diamondback is both the largest rattlesnake and most venomous snake in North America with a super high venom yield, from 400 to 1000 milligrams. It only takes 100 to 150 milligrams for a human lethal dose. 22. Lionfish. The lionfish announces its toxicity with its bold warning coloration. The venom, delivered through the fin rays, can cause a host of problems ranging from pain, vomiting and fever to convulsions, paralysis and even death. 21. Black widow spider. The female black widow has large venom glands that deliver super concentrated venom that interferes with the nerve signals that control muscles. The result is potentially fatal and causes severe pain and elevated blood pressure. 20. Stonefish. As ugly as the lionfish is attractive, the stonefish is the more toxic of the two. The 13 spines on the fish's back can deliver a powerful neurotoxin that can cause excruciating pain and possibly death within a mere 6 hours if left untreated. 19. Russell's viper. The aftermath of a bite from this old-world viper is not pretty. Some of the symptoms are bleeding from the gums and in urine, and pain for up to a month. The bite can also be lethal. 18. Brazilian wandering spider. This critter's venom is so potent that it rivals the power of some snake venoms. The neurotoxins can cause intense pain, paralysis, asphyxiation and ultimately, death. Children are in particular susceptible. 17. Indian cobra. The venom of mature cobras contains both nerve and heart toxins. The mortality rate for untreated victims is estimated to be 20 to 30%. 16. Common Crite. The Crite is particularly insidious because its bite may not cause any pain or even be noticed if a person is asleep. Its venom is full of powerful neurotoxins, though. A victim can literally suffocate to death 4 to 8 hours after being bitten. 15. Fat-tailed scorpion. The Tunisian variety of this scorpion is responsible for approximately 90% of deaths from scorpion stings in North Africa, causing up to 400 deaths a year. The neurotoxins in the venom can kill a person within 6 hours. 14. Black Mamba. What makes this snake particularly dangerous is that it can deliver a lot of venom at a time. The combination of neurotoxins and cardiotoxins can kill in as soon as 7 hours. 13. King Cobra. The king cobra may not have the most potent venom on this list, but it still ranks because the venom's effects are incredibly deadly. First of all, it can spit its toxin, so it doesn't even need to bite you. Also, only 7 milliliters of the venom can kill 20 humans or 1 elephant. 12. Deathstalker Scorpion. This scorpion is tiny but mighty deadly. Its sting can impart a lethal venom with a median lethal dose of 0.25 milligrams per kilogram. 11. Softscaled Viper. Thanks to its venom power, the Softscaled Viper is blamed for more human deaths than any other snake species combined in its region. 10. Indian Red Scorpion. A tap from this arachnid, whose image is captured here by a National Geographic team, has a fatality rate of up to 40%. 9. Funnel web spider. The potent venom of this spider is reputedly twice as deadly as cyanide. The effects on a human include increased blood pressure, arrhythmia, coma and death. The venom acts swiftly and can kill a small child within 15 minutes. 8. Boomslang. The boomslang can open its jaws as wide as 170 degrees when biting. Its venom is highly potent and contains a hemotoxin that disrupts a human's blood coagulation. That said, the venom is slow-acting, which helps buy time to obtain an anti-venom. 7. Dubois sea snake. The Dubois has the deadliest venom of all sea snakes and can kill a mouse with 1 bite. Sea snake venoms are heinous. They can cause paralysis, blurry vision, difficulty swallowing or speaking, and, in about 3% of victims, death. 6. Coastal taipan. This highly toxic snake's venom affects both the nervous system and blood coagulation. If left untreated, mortality is 100%. In cases of severe envenomation, death comes swiftly, within a half hour. 5. Cone snail. The aquatic snails may move slowly, but that's precisely why their venom is extra potent. They have hollow modified teeth called rattlei that are sharp enough to penetrate a wetsuit, and the estimated human lethal dose is incredibly small. It's believed that the venom in one of these mollusks is enough to kill 20 adult humans. 4. Arukanji jellyfish. This tiny jellyfish, which may only grow as big as a person's fingertip, packs a huge punch. Unfortunate victims contract Arukanji syndrome, excruciating pain that even morphine has little effect on. Even worse, there is no antivenom for the sting. The toxins can cause fatal brain hemorrhages. 3. Blue-ringed octopus. Although it's relatively small, only the size of a golf ball, its venom is debilitating and deadly. It can cause respiratory failure within 10 minutes and death within 30. 1 bite can kill up to 26 men, and there is no antidote. 2. Inland taipan snake. The inland taipan has one of the most lethal venoms. 1 drop can kill up to 100 adult men, and it works in as little as 45 minutes. 1. Box jellyfish. Although the Australian box jellyfish just misses having the most potent venom on this list, it is probably the most deadly. It is large in size yet almost transparent in the water, and its tentacles can sting you with its millions of nematocysts, injecting a hefty amount of venom while holding its victim in place. The venom's toxins can cause extreme pain, paralysis, delirium, shock, cardiac arrest and even death within minutes. The jellyfish has enough venom to kill 60 adults. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.